Hello friends, in this video I will tell you that how to download view once photos and videos in WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp and you can see some files opened but not download. I will select some files, photo and video, and send them as a view once. You can see this setting near the send button. When I click on this, view once feature is enabled. This photo will disappear after it opened. Now I am select a video and send it. View once is enabled. Actually this is my second number, and now I am open my second WhatsApp number. Open WhatsApp. You can see photo and video are received. I am download it. After downloading, open the photo. Yes, and make a screenshot. After making screenshot, open the gallery and crop this photo and save it. Friends, now I am show you that how to download and save this view once video. Before play this video, first install screen recorder in your cell phone. Open the screen recorder and start screen recording. Minimize, and now I am going to play this video. Don't skip this video. After play whole video, off the screen recorder and save this video. I hope this video very useful for you. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.